everyone, it's your girl Tiffany Dawn. She got it going on. Yes, it's your hair bestie, and I am here today. Welcome to Tiffany's Closet. Yes, round of applause, my people. Today, I don't know what's gonna happen, y'all.
Lord,
I'm going to the closet, and I'm going in faith. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. Let's go to the closet. You already know what it is. Welcome back to the closet, y'all. To the closet. So we're gonna come straight down. And this time, I'm just gonna look because I'm sick of getting played. I don't want it. This is one of those ponytails, but I'm not gonna be so basic with a ponytail. So let's see what else we can use. I think I'm gonna use these. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna use today. Boop! You know, the mind. I got them ideas. Okay, so for sure I know exactly what I want to do today. I am going to take that ponytail and I'm going to take the crochet hair and I'm gonna try to do a mohawk of some sort. Yeah, that's gonna be my challenge today. Trying to do a mohawk with crochet hair and the ponytail hair. Let's see what happens. I'm feeling hopeful. Like, how could you go wrong? You can't go wrong, really, with that. So, join me as we go to make another pony.
Oh, you're so stupid.
I should just stop.
Step number 1, make 3 cornrows in the middle or off to the side of your hair. Since we're doing a mohawk, mine will be slightly off-centered. After I braid the 3 cornrows, I'm going to smooth everything into 2 ponytails. So here I have 1 ponytail, and I'm going to use my Shine and Jam in the red container to ensure that my sides are sleek. I have some short hair, so I just add a touch more to make sure everything is laying down properly. And you can actually add some hairspray and let that sit. I then apply the ponytail and use that drawstring just to make it tighter and sit well. And there is a clip at the top, and I'm using that clip to clip into the 3 cornrows just to ensure a smooth transition from the crochet to the ponytail. The key is to make this look seamless. Some of them I will split into pieces, as you can see, and some of them I'll use it as a whole.
Call your auntie. Call all your friends and tell them that your hair bestie done did it again. Bars. Okay? I don't come in extra because I don't curl. I don't curl right now. I don't curl. Look at that. Man. Girl. Okay, I'm feeling myself a little too much. But let me get straight to what I did. I took those same crochet pieces and this is how they came, right? Some of them I opened, some of them I did not open. So Some of them I left like this, and some of them I pulled apart. Some big pieces, some smaller pieces, some like equal parts. And I just put it on those 3 cornrows, and I put the pop of color because I just wanted it to hold on. What's that? That's what I'm going for. The hold on, what's that? And I really made sure, like, I wanted it to blend. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want it disjointed. So I made sure that I put enough, and I had to use pins too to kind of fuse some of the parts. And I just applied it. I cut it on an angle. I added some crochet pieces to the back so it just blends and it doesn't look, you know, crazy. So yeah, this is it. This is the style, and I am loving it. I'm loving it. I wish Curl Fest were happening this year, because this would have been the style for me. It's badass. Sorry, it's great. All right, so tell me, ladies and gents, whoever's looking, should I keep it or should I sweep it? Is it trash or is it trash? You know it's not. You know it's not. I'm telling you it's not. Anyways, you be the judge. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I share.
Okay, y'all. Should we keep it or should we sweep it? Is it fash or is it trash? You be the judge.